EVGA Water Blocks, the leading premium liquid cooling manufacturer, is further expanding its RGB portfolio by releasing the EVGA FC1080 GTX Ti FTW3 RGB water block that is compatible with EVGA GeForce GTX 1080 Ti FTW3 based graphics cards. This kind of efficient cooling will allow your high-end graphics card to reach higher boost clocks, thus providing more performance during gaming or other GPU-intense tasks. This water block directly cools the GPU, VRAM, and the VRM, voltage regulation module, as water flows directly over these critical areas, thus allowing the graphics card and its VRM to remain stable under full load and high overclocks. EVGA FC1080 GTX Ti FTW3 RGB water block features a central inlet split-flow cooling engine designed for best possible cooling performance, which also works flawlessly with reversed water flow without adversely affecting the cooling performance. Moreover, such design offers great hydraulic performance, allowing this product to be used in liquid cooling systems using weaker water pumps. The base of the block is CNC machined out of nickel-plated electrolytic copper, while the top is CNC machined out of high-quality acrylic material. The sealing is ensured by quality rubber O-rings. Screw-in brass standoffs are pre-installed and allow for safe, painless installation procedure. The EVGA FC1080 GTX Ti FTW3 RGB water block is compatible with all popular RGB sync technologies from all major motherboard manufacturers, since it features a classic 4-pin 12V RGB LED strip. The block also features a special aesthetic plastic cover over the block terminal. This add-on is designed to reveal the graphics card model, visible from the side. EVGA FC1080 GTX Ti FTW3 RGB water block is compatible with EVGA GeForce GTX 1080 Ti FTW3 based graphics cards.